and again welcome to my channel. This time I'm going to speak about a boring topic actually. Could be boring to many of you. I assume it should be boring because you would have kept hearing this same topic from marketers, from telecallers, and all such. Well, I had to try my luck here. I am also going to do some glad today. See, today I'm going to speak about fixed deposits. Okay. I understand. You must have right now you're close to a year's thinking, so you would have been kind of fast forward perhaps how many times I'm going to repeat the same thing. See, this is just an educational video. I'm going to hope those who do not know, this could be a little bit help, and those who know already, there are many who know already, just giving some information you may have missed along. So I guess everyone knows what's fixed deposit. You put a certain amount of money for a period of time and do not take, like in a bank or financial institution, and do not take kind of withdraw money. It grows on, interest it grows on. So you get earned by interest and earned by, either you can earn by monthly interest or shortly at the period of time. Say you're investing a certain amount of money for, so 50,000, you're investing for 5 years perhaps. In Shriram Finance, you could get, say, yearly interest rate, according to current rate, you can get a yearly interest of perhaps 4,730, and total earnings should come 23,650, something like that. Okay, so this is just an example. So I just gave you an example of what is what you call fixed deposits. Now, why you are doing? Now, there are several like share market, mutual funds, investments. So many ways are there, and even I'm sorry, I'm not getting the term. Bits and now digital currency also you are getting a lot of ways of investing money. So why invest in fixed deposits? I'll be clear first and right. This is mainly for elderly people, or I would say not. I'll not kind of limit the branch, but for people who wish for long-term benefits. Now, see, I have an 8-year-old. He just turned 8. So, what happens when he grows up? Of course, you may you buy insurance in his name, right? In a similar manner. Well, I'll come to the difference between insurance and fixed deposits. I'll come later. But in a manner, I want to put some money in his name, which later he's 8, perhaps 10 years later. That is when he just is joining college. After this is joining college, the amount of money he can withdraw together with interest, or he can take monthly interest. It's like saving some money, keeping some money aside. How much ever you try to save money and keep, you might try in chit funds. Chit funds, by the way, is like it's a stock market, unpredictable, right? You may not say, are you sure that every month you are able to invest certain amount of money? What if you are short at that time? You may not be able to invest in chit funds. Also, like the stock market, it's not stable, it's unstable, right? Shares may go up, go low, and prices are keeping on going. Your salary isn't going in the level how the stock market goes up and down, how inflation goes up and down. I guess only up mostly, especially petrol prices. The salary isn't going there. So this is a manner to kind of save some money for, like, just keep aside some money for yourself. Now for my son, if I'm keeping aside say 50,000, I'm not saying bigger, 50,000 to 1 lakh I'm keeping aside. In 5 years or something, keep growing. That money is just for me. I cannot touch it. This is what is happening. Okay, so yeah, I understand the interest may not be higher when compared to equity mutual funds or investments in the stock market. But FDs, fixed deposits, give comfort in terms of low risk compared to other market investment options and guarantee capital returns at maturity. Now let's see a few benefits. Interest payouts you can get on monthly, quarterly, or annual basis. I think annual basis would be better for people who are putting shorter amounts of money, like 50,000 1 lakh. Okay. And it can be renewed at maturity, of course. More and more money you're getting. The basic principle of fixed deposit is you are keeping aside some more. You're not going to touch it, no one is going to touch it. So the means no reason you will touch it, but it will be there and you need it. With interest, your earnings. Now, tax saving fixed deposits also are there that are eligible under Indian law section 83 or the income tax act. It's one of the many investment options in the HSC that collectively offer an option for tax deduction 1.5. So you can see if you are investing in a lock-in period of 5 years, you can actually have tax benefits. So you are keeping some money aside and having tax benefits. And no one is going to question you. Suddenly the income tax people are coming knocking on how did you get so much? It's all open, it's all clear. Now, of course, for tax benefit for senior citizens, certain plans, like I have mentioned earlier, Sriram Finance, you have extra tax benefits and extra interest rates for senior citizens. Fixed deposit interest earned by a senior citizen has an exemption limit up to 50,000 on income. Interest rates are also higher for deposits for senior citizens. It's like saying you put your mother, father, grandmother, someone's name, they will have extra benefits. Why should you put in their name? It's like again keeping some money aside for them so that they don't have to always depend on you, right? They're not going to buy a new I don't know BMW car. I won't go as far as BMW or whatever. New Toyota, Honda, or even Maruti is coming up. Lots of models. They aren't going to buy a new car. They aren't going to get a heavy Android phone or tablet. They want small things. Like once in a while, go visit some place, maybe a temple, mosque, church, visit all relatives, a hill station. They don't have to depend on you. And so fixed deposits are good for those senior citizens. You have tax benefits also. Then what is it? Yeah, now get this straight. It's of course now the currently how to say inflation is so high and you are always short of money. You may need loans. You may need banks. Did you know that you can avail a loan against your fixed deposit? And almost all banks offer this. You have to fix a deposit. Against your own money, you can take a loan. That's a security. So the loan amount is of course based on deposit value and tenure of liability. However, do check with your bank. I'm just giving a generalized amount, generalized information. Do check with your bank about the rules around this facility. Interest on the loan can be high. Okay. So all right. Now I guess you have an idea. All right. Now I have given you the advantages of fixed deposit. Now who should you come across? Why means who should you trust for fixed deposits? There are many banks, many institutions, all offering saying, what do you call it? We offer this, we are the best, we are market leaders, high interest rates, etc. I have colleagues in such a manner. I have myself been faced with this. The moment they come to you, the moment they offer fixed deposit loans, so whatever, they ask you to invest money, all smiles. Especially loans, all we are very friendly, we are a customer friendly bank, no pressure. Dadaji, Dadima, we offer lots of benefits. The moment a day you delay in paying the interest, what are interest money? What happened? Wait, this is how it changes. So I understand there are such fears people have of maybe past experiences. You have lots of news coming to you that suddenly a finance company ran away with the money and all. I understand. So this is why you need to be very careful of whom you invest your money with and with whom you open fixed deposits. There are lots of banks and financial institutions. Go for one that has been there for long. Go for one that is trusted by maybe all claim to be trusted by lots of people. But I'm not talking about advertisements like suddenly one actor will say Shah Rukh Khan or Surya or Vijay, whoever will say, "No, invest in this place, I am this place, I am that place, etc. etc." You must have proof that they have invested. Do you openly know that big people have invested or deposited their money in such a bank or financial institution? In that way, here again, like I mentioned in between, I mentioned Shriram Finance is actually a trustable venture. They have been functioning for 50 years. I guess they just turned 50th and an anniversary they have reached. I'm not so sure how much. So, um, one second. Yeah. So, why should you consider Shriram? Shriram Finance is also actually you can actually Google it. Okay? They are one of the best interest rates on fixed deposits is offered by Shriram Finance. It's actually much more than traditional banks. How much do you get in a traditional bank? You get a 5, 6, 7. And again, I'm bad in this. I speak like a common man. Again, I have to get this underline this fact. I am not speaking as a salesman. I am not speaking like a marketer. I am speaking like a common. I am bad in finances. Means I do not know. For me, is 1 plus 1 is 2. That's all. I can't just say 1 crore plus 1 crore invest 1.5 crore. Or I don't make all that. Doesn't make sense to me. So, as a normal person, understand. Traditional banks offers an amount of interest. Shriram Finance is much more. You can Google first. Now, flexible tenure orders. That is a lot. And how much time are you going to invest money for? That's the point. It's very much flexible. You can say from 12 months, that's 1 year, to 60 months, that's 5 years. You need not invest like I told you earlier, 50,000 for 5 years or 10 years, 20 years, and wonder where your money is. You can say 1 year you want, you can do that for it. So, opt for a shorter tenure. And if you want to maximize it in a long-term plan, you can change it to a longer. Safety and security. Again, this instead of trusting my words, why not you Google yourself? How trustable is Shriram Finance? Please Google and search engine, find out yourself. You may ask around also. Alright? Don't trust my word. See what others say. Now, they have lots of features tailored to your needs. While early withdrawal is generally discouraged, Shriram Finance allows it without a penalty. Right? Like you can withdraw anytime. You can whatever you want, how much you want, you can withdraw. The penalty depends on the amount of the raised withdrawal, but almost it's bad. So you say you invest for a 5-year plan, you have invested money, 2,000, 1 lakh, 5 lakh, 10 lakh. you have that money, someone. So you are invested. After 6 months or after a year, you suddenly, means for a 5-year plan, after a year, you suddenly want to remove it. You can withdraw. This Shriram Finance gives the leniency. Nomination procedure. You can nominate, just like in banks, you can nominate a beneficiary to inherit the FD amount. In case of your passing, or in case you are not in location, a nominee can withdraw on your or withdraw and inherit the FD amount for your sake. Right? And online management, this I need not tell much more. Everything is available online. Okay. So you have fixed deposits for all stages of life, early career, middle age, retirement age, and so on. I hope this has given a brief idea. For anything more, please post your comments over there, or you may also contact me. My email is brandyasser@gmail.com. You may also find lots of you can also message this channel. Hi, hi dot ysstudios at gmail.com. Please do mention, please do mail me, please do message. I want to hear more of what you think. I can arrange of someone to. I'm just a mediator. Arrange someone to visit you anywhere in India. I'll arrange someone to visit you or call you and explain. Thank you for listening this video, and I hope my different kind of video caught some of your interest. Please do follow for more. And this is Yasir Salman saying thank you, Tata.